there's this connection. There's some connection there, and I can't tell you what it is, but there's a connection to the fire that we have had forever as humans. So wood is biology, and when it burns, it makes light. And isn't it funny that the light, when you shine it through the wood, it gives you the quality of firelight. It gives you that warm, really warm and inviting light. I'm taking design and I'm illuminating that biology with the light and with design. So there's a sense of illuminating biology with design.